Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix AMD Timeout certificate error in Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. First, search here for Device Manager and then click on Display Adapters. Give a right click and click on Update Driver. Now select Browser My Computer for driver and then select Let Me Pick option. Now select your AMD driver and click on Next. You'll see that your screen may flicker, but that's normal. If the issue persists, just open your browser and search for AMD graphic drivers. Now open the link and you will land to your AMD graphic official site. Now download the latest driver for your GPU, run the installer, choose driver only, and if you don't want setting change, click accept and install and let it finish. Finally restart your PC and that's it, your AMD error should be gone. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.